catastrophic climate change to hostile aliens, Hollywood routinely envisions apocalyptic endings to humanity's stint on planet Earth. But although the world-ending movies may be pure fantasy, many scientists are worried about other perilous scenarios, some of which are even scarier than anything that's been depicted on the silver screen. From pandemic fungus to robot insurrection, here are 10 apocalyptic visions that scientists foresee. Number 1. Global warming, the mother of all apocalyptic fears. Climate change is the biggest threat facing the planet, many scientists say. Climate change could make extreme weather conditions more severe, increase droughts in some areas, change the distribution of animals and diseases across the globe, and cause low-lying areas of the planet to be submerged in the wake of rising sea levels. And it's already been happening at some places on this earth, so we're not really that far from the end. The cascade of climate change could lead to political instability, severe droughts, famines, ecosystem collapses, and other changes that can make Earth a decidedly inhospitable place to live. Number 2. Asteroid. It's the mainstay of disaster movies, but scientists are legitimately worried that a space rock could wipe out Earth. A meteor impact could probably doom the dinosaurs. And in the Tunguska event, a massive meteoroid damaged about 770 square miles, which equals 2,000 square kilometers of the Siberian forest in 1908. Even more frightening, perhaps, is that astronomers only know a fraction about the space rocks lurking in the solar system. Number 3. Pandemic threat. New deadly pathogens crop up every year. Recent pandemics have included outbreaks of SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome, bird flu. As I quote Joseph Miller in his book Biology, co-authored with Ken Miller, he said, "The threat of a global pandemic is very real," unquote. Number 4. Fungus among us. Though bacterial threats are dangerous, fungal threats are even scarier, said David Wake, curator at the Museum of Vertebrate Zoology at the University of California, Berkeley. Quote, "We have had a new amphibian fungal disease that has just devastating effects," unquote. Wake said of the chytrid fungus that is wiping out frogs across the United States. An equally fatal fungus in humans would be catastrophic. And though bacteria are deadly, antibiotics are plentiful. By comparison, we know much less about treating fungal infections. Number 5. Engineered disease. So, if natural diseases aren't enough, we manufactured some. In 2011, the scientific community was outraged that researchers had engineered a mutant version of bird flu H5N1 that was transmissible in ferrets and transmitted via the air. The results sparked fears that engineered deadly diseases could inadvertently escape from the lab or be intentionally released, leading to a global pandemic. Number 6. Nuclear war. Many scientists are still worried about the classic end-of-the-world threat, global nuclear war. Beyond North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's saber-rattling and Iran's secretive nuclear efforts, massive stockpiles of nuclear weapons around the globe could wreak destruction if they were to get into wrong hands. Last year, the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists, a non-technical magazine on global security founded in 1945 by former Manhattan Project physicist, moved the doomsday clock at 5 minutes to midnight. For those of you who don't know, doomsday clock shows how close humanity is to destruction via nuclear or biological weapons or global climate change. Number 7. Robot ascension. The Terminator may be science fiction, but killing machines are not far from reality. The United Nations recently called for a ban on killer robots, presumably because experts worried that several countries were developing them. Many computer scientists think the singularity, the point at which artificial intelligence overtakes human intelligence, is near. Whether those robots will be benevolent helpers or scourge of humanity is still up for debate, but a lot can go wrong when they are hyper-intelligent robots armed with lethal weapons running around. And if you've made it this far and you still don't want Earth to end, it would be really nice if you just subscribe to our channel, click the like button and turn the notifications on for further updates. Number 8. Overpopulation. The fear of an overpopulated globe has been around since the 18th century, when Thomas Malthus predicted the overpopulation growth could cause mass starvation and overtax the planet. He predicted that the resources will grow in arithmetic progression while the population will grow in geometric progression. With the global population at 7 billion and counting, many surveyonists think population growth is one of the key threats to the planet. Of course, not everyone agrees. Many think population growth will stabilize in the next 50 years and that humanity will innovate its way out of the negative consequences of the overcrowding that does occur. Number 9. Alien invasion. At the SETI Institute in Mountain View, California, a cadre of dedicated scientists sifts through radio static in search of telltale signal from an alien civilization. So far, nothing. Now suppose the long-sought message arrives. Not only do the aliens exist, they are about to stop for a visit. And then any science fiction devotee can tell you what could go wrong. But the history of human exploration and exploitation suggests the most likely danger is not direct conflict. Aliens might want resources from our solar system, Earth's oceans, perhaps full of hydrogen for refilling a fusion-powered spacecraft, and swat us aside if we get in the way. As we might dismiss mosquitoes or beetles stirred up by the logging of the rainforest, aliens might unwittingly import pests with a taste of human flesh, much as Dutch colonists reaching Mauritius brought cats, rats, and pigs that quickly did away with the dodo. Or aliens might accidentally upset our planet or solar system while carrying out some grandiose interstellar construction project. The late physicist Gerard O'Neill speculated that contact with extraterrestrial visitors could also be socially disastrous. Advanced Western civilization has had a destructive effect on all primitive civilizations it has come in contact with, even in those cases when every attempt was made to protect and guard the primitive civilization. He said in the 1979 interview, "I don't see any reason why the same thing would not happen to us." Number 10. Giant solar flares. Solar flares, more properly known as coronal mass ejections, are enormous magnetic outbursts on the sun bombarded to Earth with a torrent of high-speed subatomic particles. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field negate the potentially lethal effects of ordinary flares. But while looking through old astronomical records, Bradley Sheffer of Yale University found evidence that some perfectly normal-looking sun-like stars can brighten briefly up to a factor of 20. Schaefer believes these stellar flickers are caused by super flares, millions of times more powerful than their common cousins. Within a few hours, a super flare on the sun could fry Earth and begin disintegrating the ozone layer.